And now for something completely different. Chatna! With some Shakespeare shock.
All right. So, I have been taking the oath most of the day. That is over. So I am working on a translation of Twelfth Night that I will be working with the Shakespeare Yej on. We're gonna kind of try to get that. It's going to be a collaborative effort between all of us to get it into its. Anyway. But I decided I would read kind of the opening speech from Twelfth Night as I have it translated so far. Subject to change, patent pending, alpha version. So this is the Duke Orsino talking about how much he's in love with Olivia, but also more so just in love with being in love. And without further ado, Harmak Shorj och hochvan tutach, babdot jehung chat chumech troy gejet, in shabech chuka, rinde gergla och, och hoide peshwij ewane, digna josh dauboch shush, et inshong pew, slapboch et pemboch roer, nevia chuko. Ech jichbad koch pew adach sho. Parmakwit ka. Begong ka gan darur. Begong kach bish et loch bengov lachbit. Vai chot ja turupoch da sho. Tak lot lach vai. A naflu chu rentach. Mu rimlu kimchatlu et lot lach bet. Muschatwe moch kut lach mo parmak. Should tuv dad klin parmak et.
Chatna, bringing some culture up in here.
Woo!
Yeah!